Hey everybody, we are excited to be at NTCC. As you can see, we are at the NTCC Weld Shop. We have some exciting news. We have been working with NTCC on a project. Jimmy, do you want to go ahead and tell us about the project and kind of tell us what's going to be happening and what some of the students should expect?
Yeah, so this is an 8-week academy, the Process Welding Academy. Students will spend time here. They'll also get some real world experiences at Diamond C Trailers to get a chance to take some instruction from some of their lead welders there and get a chance to do some hands-on experiences here on campus. So we're excited about this opportunity. We have a June cohort that's gonna start on the 3rd. We have an August cohort and an October cohort. If you're interested in signing up, the June cohort, time is very limited. We want you to sign up ASAP. There's a link in the description. You can find it there along with the survey as well as an application.
Hey Jimmy, all that sounds great. How much does all this cost?
Yeah, great question. So for a limited time, for qualifying students, this is at no cost to you. So if you've dreamed of being a process welder, if you've dreamed of working in the manufacturing industry, this opportunity is limited. So take advantage of it now.